Good evening, friends. So, in the last videos, just we are discussing some problems related to the matrices. Okay, no problem. Recording, sir, recording is already available. Recording is already available. Running notes is also already available. Please check it once, sir. Okay. Matrix programs is there in the recording sessions. I mean, in there in running notes. Please cross check it once. If not, I will add. Even for LBP4 also it is available. Okay, please check it once. If not, okay, I will add you. Don't worry. Just 1 minute. I am verifying. Matrix programs are there. Please check it once. LBP5 students, for LBP4 students, for every LBP6, for every student I have shared. Please cross check it once. Okay. Yes, for LBP6 also we have shared. Sir, let me go for the next program, LBP number 35. So what is the program here is upper triangular matrix. So what is the title of the program? Upper triangular matrix. Sir, here program to accept a matrix and check whether it is upper triangular matrix or not. Okay, upper triangular matrix or not. So we have to check. Sir, how you can able to do that activity? Suppose if I have some matrix elements like 1, 2, 3, okay, sir, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9. Sir, is it upper triangular matrix? No, sir. It is not upper triangular matrix. Sir, if it is 1, 2, 3, okay. So 0, 5, 6, sir, 0, 0, 9. It is nothing but yes, upper triangular matrix. That means what? Okay, sir, please let me finish the session. Then you can ask all your doubts. Okay, please. Because once if I started the class, if you are discussing these type of things, so my concentration will be somewhere else, sir. Okay, please, all your doubts will be clarified. Okay, please. Recordings will be there according to dates. You can able to see on 12th. Okay, sorry, on not 12th. I think we have taken this matrix programs from 11th, it seems. So 11th recording, 12th recording, sir, 14th recording, 15th recording. Today is 16th recording. These 5 recordings related to the matrix programs. Okay, if that videos are there, no problem. If videos are not there, please ping me in WhatsApp group. Okay, sir, you have to respond in WhatsApp group for running notes and then videos and then doubts clarification session. In the regular class, please concentrate on the concept what I am trying to explain. Here also same questions means nothing will be there. Okay, please. So let me continue. Okay, so don't mind Chakradhar. Just I am telling what is happening because I need to handle so many students, right? That's what I am explaining. Sorry, don't mind Durga Chandrasekhar. Sorry, Chakradhar. Okay, yeah. Hmm. So this is nothing but upper triangular matrix. So if you are taking any matrix, sir, upper triangular matrix means what? Suppose if you are taking a matrix like 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9. If you are taking a matrix like this, so in this particular, sorry, this particular thing is called as upper triangular matrix. This one is called as upper triangular matrix. Remaining elements should be generally empty elements should be there or zeros should be there. Okay. Similarly, lower triangular matrix is also available. So how you can able to get that one? Sir, do you know this? Okay. Sir, 1 and then 5. Okay. So 1, 5, and then which things will come into the lower triangular, sir? Please confirm. So 1, 5, and then 9. So these things will comes under lower triangular matrix. Okay. So this is nothing but upper triangular and this one is nothing but lower triangular. In the case of upper triangular, these elements will become 0. In the case of lower triangular, these elements will become 0. That you have to count. Okay. So please confirm, do you have any doubts in this particular program, sir? Forget about logic. I will explain how you can able to implement. So do you have any doubts in this program, sir? Please confirm. Clear, right? Okay. Now, sir, what is the logic for this? What is the logic for this? Sir, first I am taking 0 comma 0 first element, 0 comma 1 second element, sir, 0 comma 2 third element. Similarly, what about next matrices? Sir, 1 comma 0, 1 comma 1, sir, 1 comma 2. What is the next matrix elements? 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2. Sir, which elements should be 0? 1 comma 0 should be 0, and then 2 comma 0 should be 0, and then 2 comma 1 should be 0. Have you remembered, there is one small logic is there? So what is that logic? Is nothing but when the value of j is less than I, when the value of j is less than I, observe carefully. In this case, what is the value of I and j? Sir, 0 0 0 less than 0 false. Sir, 1 less than 0 condition is false. 2 less than 0 condition is false. Sir, 0 less than 1, okay, 0 less than 1 condition is true, hence 0 will come. Sir, 1 is less than 1 condition is false. Sir, 2 is less than 1 condition is false. Sir, 0 is less than 2 condition is true, 1 is less than 2 condition is true. In these two places you can get zeros. What about 2 comma 2? Condition is false. So only in these three places you are going to get 0, because this condition is satisfied. Okay, this condition is satisfied. If the value of j is less than 0, okay, at the same time a of ij should not be equal to 0. Okay, should not be equal to 0 means what? Okay, initially I am going to take, sir, flag is equal to 1. This matrix is nothing but so upper triangular matrix. So if this condition is satisfied, the value of j is less than I, that means I am checking these three elements in this matrix, and then a of ij is not equal to 0 means, so then what is the meaning? Not equal to 0 means what? Other than 0, if any element is there in these three places, definitely it is not okay, it is not a upper triangular matrix. Then I am going to set, so then, so set flag is equal to 0. Sir, finally what? If a flag is equal to 1, then it is upper triangular matrix, otherwise not. I hope the concept is clear for you people. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Is the logic is clear, friends? Yes. Now let me go for C language implementation of this program. Sir, how you can able to implement this program in C? Let me have a look once. So what is the problem number? I think uh, yes, 235. Very good. Yeah, thank you. So let me open that problem and let us solve. Yeah, yes. So we have everything. So we have sample inputs are there, sample outputs are there. Just we have to provide C language implementation. So integer, I am taking E of 3 by 3 matrix, I and then J I am taking. And then initially I am considering, yes, it is nothing but a upper triangular matrix. So then for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Similarly for J is equal to 0, J less than 3, J plus plus. Sir, I am going to read the elements scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of ij I am taking. Okay, so all the elements has been accepted. Now you have to check For I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Similarly, for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. So what is your requirement? If the value of j is less than I, at the same time, the element which is located in A of ij is not equal to 0, is not equal to 0. So that means what? I am going to assign flag is equal to 0. Okay. Then finally, sir, I am printing like this. Printf, the value of a flag is equal to 1 means yes. So else we have to print no. Okay. Let me run the code. Sir, is it satisfied the public test cases? Yes. And submit the program for final approval. Submit the program for final approval. So you can able to see all the remaining test cases also satisfied. Hope it is very clear for you people. Please confirm, do you have any doubts in this C language implementation, sir? Very good. So let me go for Java implementation. How you can able to solve this problem in Java? Of course, in Java is also, sir, same concept, right? So what is the first step? Scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system dot in. So what about the next one? Integer a is equal to, so new integer of 3 by 3. Then integer ij, okay, is required, and I am taking boolean flag is equal to, what is the initial value I am taking? True. Okay, what is the initial value I am taking? True. Okay. So what is our next requirement is nothing but we have to read the elements. For I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Okay. So for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. I am going to take a of ij is equal to, so obj dot next int. I am reading an integer value from the user. Okay. Then what we have to do? We need to check our primary condition, right? So what is that condition? For I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Similarly, for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. If your a of ij, okay, is not equal to 0 and the value of j is less than I means, then I am going to assign flag is equal to false. So finally, system dot out dot println of, if the value of a flag is true means it will print yes, otherwise it will print no. That's all. Let me run the code. Yes. And submit the code. Okay. So this is nothing but what we have. Please wait, sir. So let me go for Python implementation. How you can able to solve this problem in Python? Just have a look once. So now I am going to take L1 is equal to, L1 is equal to, so I am taking int of I for each I value in input dot split. So similarly, we have to read L2 and then L3 also, right? So L2 and then L3. Then L will become L1 comma L2 comma L3. Okay. Now, so initially I'm going to assign flag is equal to true. Then for each I in the range of 3, for each I in the range of 3, for j in the range of, for j in the range of 3, if the value of j is less than or equal less than I, and so L of ij, L of ij is not equal to 0, not equal to 0 means then I'm going to set flag is equal to false. So finally, print the value yes. Okay, print the value yes if the value of a flag is true. else we are printing the message saying no. That's all. Let me run the code. So both the public test cases are satisfied, okay, and the private test cases also satisfied. This is nothing but how you can able to implement. Someone is asking, sir, why you have taken j less than I? In the logic, I explained very clearly. This is nothing but the actual elements what we have in the matrix. These are nothing but the actual elements. But if you observe in these elements, so these three elements should be 0. So how these two elements are related with each other? So in this case, these are same. In this case, 0 is less than 1, 0 is less than 2, 1 is less than 2. Is such a type of terminology is there here? 1 is less than 0, 2 is less than 0, 2 is less than 1. No, that's why we are taking this one as a loophole and we are implementing. So I think it is very clear for you people. Please confirm, is it clear for you people? Srinivas is asking, if all elements are 0, then what will happen? Yes, it will be lower upper triangular matrix only. So because we are checking whether this particular upper triangular matrix, yeah, for non-zero only we have to evaluate, I think so. But here we are writing the logic to check remaining elements are 0 or not. That's all. Beyond that, nothing. Clear, Srinivas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I think it is not upper triangular matrix. See, triangle means it should be like this, sir. It should be like this. It should be with the diagonal. By touching the diagonal, you have to take. Okay. Maybe you can write at beginning. So clear up to this, please confirm. This one is also wrong. See diagonal elements, Mangesh. Please check diagonal elements. Okay. Yeah. Sir, the next one, what we have here is, sir, lower triangular matrix. Please confirm what will be the condition for lower triangular matrix. Please confirm what will be the condition. I don't know. You have to tell. Please confirm. Yes, it is the same as a previous program, but only one change is nothing but what? In the place of okay, less than, you have to take a greater than, except that remaining things will be same. Okay, remaining things will be same. Just replace here less than with greater than. Okay, don't take equal to. Equal to indicates diagonal elements. Yes, that's all. Now, sir, I think no need to execute that program. Sir, next one is nothing but a scalar multiplication. So already we have seen multiplication of two matrices, but here that is not our requirement. It is the easy program only. Scalar multiplication means what? You need to take one element and you have to multiply with each and every element present in the matrix. Yeah, we can write Srinivas. We can write. Okay. Yeah. So scalar multiplication, implement a program to read a matrix and a multiplier, return a new matrix, okay, with a scalar multiplication. So please cross check it once. So how it is going to work? What is not okay? Still, I didn't explain the logic of the program. I didn't explain the logic of the program. Yeah. Okay. Have a look once. Sir, observe carefully. First, listen the program, sir. Whatever I am trying to explain, please listen. So scalar multiplication means what? You have to multiply each and every element present in the matrix with a value. Suppose if you take here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there. Sir, one multiplier we have given 2. Now you need to multiply each and every element present in the matrix with 2. So 2 ones are 2. So 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. Like this, we have got the result. Okay. I hope you got the logic. Please confirm. Do you have any doubts in this logic, sir? Please confirm. Just we have to take the matrix and we need to do the operations. Okay. Clear up to this? Please confirm. Yes. So let me implement integer a of 3 by 3 I am taking. So ij n must be required. So first I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus I am taking. For j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus I am taking. So we have to read the element scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of ij I am taking. So next we have to read a scalar value also, which is nothing but ampersand n. Now direct display program I am writing. I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Similarly for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. But while printing, what we have to do? Sir, printf percentage d followed by space. Instead of printing a of ij, I am taking a of ij into n. That's all. Automatically it will multiply that value or not. That's all. So let me cross check whether it is working or not. Let me run the code. Yes, both the test cases are passed. So this is nothing but how you can able to implement in C language. So let me go for Java implementation of this program. Let me go for Java implementation of this program. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Java? Okay, how you can able to solve this problem in Java? Okay, now observe carefully. Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of I am taking system.in. So integer a is equal to new integer of 3 by 3. So integer I am taking ij and then n. For I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. So I am taking a of ij is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. Sir, we are accepting the value of an integer from the user. Next, for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Now what we have to do? System dot out dot println, sorry, print of. So a of ij into 3, sorry, into n I am taking. So this entire thing we have to take within parenthesis. Okay, within parenthesis. So plus followed by space we have to provide. Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. I will read. So we have to take n is equal to obj dot next int. That's all. So the value of n is accepted. Okay. So the value of n is accepted from the user. 1 minute, sir. Now, so let me run the program. Is it going to work? Yeah, new line character problem is there here. So system dot out dot println, one new line character I am giving. Let me run the code. Is it working? Yes, perfect. And submit the code. Okay. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Java. So let me go for Python implementation and let us see how you can able to solve this problem in Python. So I'm taking Python implementation. Sir, L1 is equal to, I am taking int of I for each I in input dot split, input dot split. So same thing I am taking 3 times. So what is the first one? L1, L2, and then L3. So L is equal to L1 comma L2 comma L3, like this I am taking. Now we have to read the value of n from the user. Now for each I in, okay, for each I in range of 3, then for each j in range of 3. So what we have to do? You need to print, so L of ij into 3 comma end is equal to space. That's all. Now what will happen? Automatically it is going to print new line character. Okay. Yeah, not into 3 into n. Yeah. So let me submit the code. So you can able to see all the remaining test cases also satisfied. Okay. This is nothing but how you can able to implement the logic in Python. Okay. Please confirm, is the concept is clear for you people? Okay. Is there any specific reason behind this? No. So I explained both the concepts for you people. Suppose if you have a matrix with order n by m, how you can able to read the values? I explained already. Suppose if the order is fixed in all these matrix programs, I fixed the order. So if it is the case, this is the way how you can able to read. Clear? Yeah, we can do that. Just for simplicity, I have taken like this. Okay. Sir, let me go for the next one. The next program what we have, it is a easy program only. Sir, symmetric matrix. So implement a program to read a matrix and check whether the matrix is symmetric or not. So symmetric in the sense, I think number of, if you interchange the matrix like rows, columns, columns, rows, transpose matrix, it should be equal. Okay, it should be equal. So such type of matrices are called as a symmetric, I think so. Let me analyze the output. Yeah, 1 2 3 2 4 5 3 5 8. If you interchange rows and columns, it will be same. So such type of matrices are called as symmetric matrices. Okay. Venkatesh is telling A is equal to A cap of transpose matrix. Yes, maybe. Okay. So I hope it is very clear, right? Do you have any doubts in the logic, sir? Please confirm. Yes. Now let me implement the direct program for this, sir. Okay. Observe carefully what I am going to do here. Observe carefully what I am going to do here. Sir, I am going to read a matrix from the user, integer A of 3 by 3. Okay, then ij. Sir, I will maintain one counter value. I will maintain one counter value. So for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Okay. Sir, for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Okay. Sir, I am going to read the elements. Scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of ij I am taking. Now what will happen? Sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Sir, for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. If the value of A of ij is equal to double equal to, yeah, very good. A of ji means then I am incrementing counter plus plus. Okay. Sir, since the value of the order of the matrix is nothing but 3 by 3, so we can print yes if C is equal to 9. If C is equal to 9, I can print yes. Otherwise, I can print no. Right? So let me run the code. Is it going to work or not? Okay. Let me run the code. Yes, all the test cases are satisfied. Okay. Yesterday you have asked same doubt, Ranjish. Do you remember? C is equal to 9 means what? Number of elements in the matrix. How many elements will be there in 3 by 3 matrix? 9 elements will be there. So if the original number and the transport number same means for 9 elements we are checking. If a count is equal to 9 means then it will be. Okay. Please concentrate while explaining. So this is nothing but C language implementation what we have. Let me go for Java implementation. I want to go for Java implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Java? So same program I am taking Java implementation. Okay. So scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system.in. So integer a is equal to new integer of 3 by 3. So I am taking integer ij. Okay. Count is equal to 0. Sir, for each I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. For each j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. So I am taking E of ij is equal to obj dot next int. I am reading the elements. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Similarly, for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. I think we have initialized C, right? Yes. So if the value of A of ij is double equal to A of ij means then counter plus plus I am taking. Finally, so system dot out dot println of if the value of C is equal to 9, then we have to print the message yes. Otherwise, we have to print the message no. That's all. Let me run the code. So working properly and submit the code. So you can able to see all the remaining test cases also satisfied. Okay. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Java. So let me go for Python implementation. I want to solve this problem in Python. Let us see how you can able to take the code in Python. I am taking Python code. So L1 is equal to, I am taking int of I. So for each I in input dot split. Similarly, I'm going to take so L2 and then L3. So finally, L is equal to L1 comma L2 comma L3. Now count is equal to initially 0 for each I in the range of 3. Compulsory index based retrieval we have to do for j in the range of 3. So if sir c of sorry if L of ij is double equal to so L of ji, then c is equal to c plus 1. Okay. Now sir print of if c is equal to 9, c is equal to sorry, we have to print yes when if c is equal to 9, yes y capital letter. So if c is double equal to 9, else we have to print the message called no. So let me run the code. Is it working or not? Perfect. And let me submit the code. Okay. So this is nothing but how you can able to calculate, sir. Sir, is this program is clear for you people? Please confirm. Is this program is clear for you people? Please confirm. Okay. C is equal to 9. Kajal, I told already, if the matrix is order 3 by 3 means total how many elements will be there? 9 elements will be there. So if you take original number, if you perform transpose, it should be same. So such type of elements we have to count, and finally we are checking. Okay. So let me go for the next program, sir. What is the next program that we have here is LBP number 239. So print diagonal elements. We have to print diagonal elements. So implement a program to read a matrix and display only diagonal elements. Okay. So we have to read a matrix and we have to display only diagonal elements. We have to display only diagonal elements. Let me see how you can able to do that. Okay. So I think directly we can go with the program. Let me take C language implementation. Let me take C language implementation. So 239. Yes. Sir, you can able to see, have you observed the diagonal elements are displayed in a matrix style only. In the matrix style only, not continuously. In the matrix style only, we have to remove the elements which are not in diagonal position, not opposite. We have to take only normal diagonal elements. Remaining places we have to give space. Okay. I hope it is very clear for you. Directly I am going for implementation. Sir, observe carefully how to read and write. Same thing we have to take. Integer a of 3 by 3, ij I am taking. So for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. So for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. So what we have to do? Sir, scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of ij I am taking. Now, so for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Similarly, for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. So if the value of I is double equal to j, then only, sir, we have to print the element, sir, followed by space we have to take up. Okay, then only we have to print the element, sir, followed by space is required. Okay, so what is that element? A of ij. Suppose if the value of I and j are not equal, so then what we have to do? You need to print an empty space. Sir, empty single space or two spaces? I think two spaces, because one is for the regular space, second one is nothing but for the element, right? So this is nothing but how you can able to implement. Let me run the code. Is it satisfied? No. Sir, why? What is the reason? After completion of every row, we have to take a slash n. That's all. Let me run the code. Perfect. So let me submit the code. So you can able to see all the remaining test cases also satisfied. This is the way how you can able to implement the program. Okay. Please confirm. Is this concept is clear for you people? Yes. So let me go for Java implementation. Let me go for Java implementation. Sir, how you can able to implement in Java? Yes. Sir, I am going to select the programming language as Java. Scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system dot in, I am taking, then integer. So a is equal to new integer of 3 by 3. So integer I and then j. So for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. So for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Now I am taking, so a of ij is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. Similarly, for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. So for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. So if the value of I is double equal to j, then system dot out dot println of, sorry, print of a of ij I am printing followed by some space. Else, if it is not correct, system dot out dot print of we have to provide two spaces. That's all. But once completion of the row means system dot out dot println is mandatory. Now let us run the program. Yes, both the test cases are passed and submit the code for final approval. So you can able to see all the test cases are passed successfully. So this is nothing but how you can able to implement this particular program. Okay. Now let me go for Python implementation. Let me go for why I am providing two spaces. Someone is asking. See here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6 is there. 7, 8, 9 is there. We need to display only these elements. Okay, sir, element to element space is there, but in this place also we have to print a space. That's why single space followed by two spaces. In this case, we will get a space, next space. Clear? The person who asked this doubt, Kumar. Yeah. So let me go for Python implementation. Okay. Let me go for Python implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem by using Python? Let me know. So I am taking the same problem statement. I am going to implement the code in Python. So L1 is equal to int of I for each I in input dot split. So L2, L3 I am taking. So L2 and then L3. Then L is equal to, okay, sir, L1 comma L2 comma L3. Like this I am taking. Now, sir, for each I in range of 3, similarly, for each j in range of 3, if the value of I is double equal to j, okay, I is equal to j, then I'm going to print, so A of, sorry, L of ij, and then I'm going to provide end is equal to empty. Suppose if this condition is not satisfied, I am printing two spaces. So then a single new line character. Let me run the code. 1 minute. Somewhere the problem. Yeah, here also we should not transfer the control, right? We should not transfer the control. Yes, perfect. Now let me submit the code. This is nothing but how you can able to print, sir, each and every element. Okay, so only present in diagonal positions. Clear up to this, please confirm. Clear up to this, please confirm. I am requesting everyone to respond. Right. So let me go for the next program. What is the next program that we have? See here, space here, observe carefully. Generally, after printing 1, 2, 3, so we have to print a space. Is it I value and j value are same here? No. Then we are giving one space, two spaces we are giving. One space, two space. Okay. Then it will check for, sorry, one will be printed. Then we are giving two spaces. Then we are giving two spaces. One is for actual space. Second one is for two. In the place of two, we are printing a space. That is the concept. Clear, Kajal? Yeah. Sir, the next program what we have here is 240. I think it is the very easy program. No need to explain also. So square of each and every element present in the matrix. Square of each and every element present in the matrix. Directly I am going for C language implementation. Okay. So just we have to read the matrix elements and then we have to print its square. So let me check how it will be. Yes. So I'm taking the code in C language. So integer A of 3 by 3 matrix I and then j. So for each I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. For each j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. We have to read scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of ij. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. So for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Okay. Sir, I'm going to print percentage d followed by space. So a of ij into again a of ij, because a square they are asking. So that multiplication should be done by 2 times. Okay. Now we are printing new line character after each and every row. Let me run the program. Is it working? Perfect. And submit the code. So all the test cases are satisfied. Now, so let me go for Java implementation. Let me go for Java implementation. How you can able to solve this problem? So I'm taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system dot in. I'm taking so integer a of integer is equal to new integer of 3 by 3 elements. I have taken ij is required. For I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. So for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. So a of ij is equal to obj dot I'm taking obj dot I am taking sir next integer. So then for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Similarly for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Sir system dot out dot print of. So a of ij into a of ij. But anyway, we have to take within brackets this one because we need to provide space, right? That's why I am giving one space. After completion of this system dot out dot println. That's all. Let me run the code. Perfect. And submit the code for final approval. So this is nothing but what we have. Sir, let me implement in Python. Let me implement in Python. Let me go for Python implementation. Sir, how you can able to do it in Python? Observe carefully. Sir, L1 is equal to int of I for each I in input dot split. Okay. Then, sir, I am taking L2 and then L3. So L3 I am taking like this. Then L is equal to L1 comma L2 comma L3. So now what we have to do, sir, for each I value in range of 3. So for each j value in range of 3, sir, what we have to do, sir, I am printing, okay, I am printing. So a of ij into, L of ij into L of ij, like this I am printing, comma, end is equal to, we have to provide space. So next and after that, again I am giving a new line character. Let me run the code. Is it working? Yes. And submit the code for final approval. You can able to see all the private test cases also satisfied. Sir, do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm. Do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm. Yes. Sir, that's all about today's session. So tomorrow we are going to finish these matrix programs. Remaining some 10 programs are there. Sir, tomorrow we will wind up, sir. Okay. Yeah, thank you. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. You can expect these running notes after some 10 to 15 minutes, because my old system was have some problem. So that's why I have taken the class in another system. Okay, so it takes some time to format the system. That's why after half an hour you can expect. Thank you.